When it comes to your construction business, the customer is always right. Well, 99% of the time anyway. There's always that one time. Anyway, we all know that customer service is important. We say it all the time. But why is it important? Let's take a look at why the most profitable construction businesses take customer service so seriously, and why the construction businesses that neglect it get left in the dust. What is customer service? Like we said, customer service is one of those terms we hear contractors throw around, but we aren't so sure they know exactly what it entails. Well, customer service is when a service is provided to a customer before, during, and after a purchase. In other words, customer service isn't just when a client calls to complain about an invoice. No, it's the entire shebang, from the moment you speak with them until after the job's complete. So how do I attract new customers with customer service? Have you ever heard the phrase, attraction rather than promotion? Well, we think it's very applicable to customer service in the construction industry. Sometimes you don't need to seek out new business. Sometimes it comes right to you when you treat customers right. So let's take a look at some tips to attract customers with solid customer service. Offer the best service. That sounds obvious, but if so, why do so many contractors on Google and Yelp have so many negative reviews? You need to take an honest, thorough look at you and your construction business to see if you can improve the service that you're offering. If you own a landscaping business, is your team not trimming the hedges evenly because they're in a rush? If you seal coat driveways, are you adding a seal coat sooner than you should because you really need the business? If you own a remodeling business, are you failing to tell your client about a chip in a piece of tile because you're too lazy to deal with it? Getting business starts with solid service. If you can't, at the very least, deliver quality service, then you're going to have a hard time getting repeat business. We can assure you of that. Offer incentives for referrals. Did you do a solid job for a customer? Good. Then take advantage of this opportunity and offer the customer incentives to refer you to other people that they might know. For example, if you're a painter, maybe you want to offer your current client a couple of hours of complimentary painting in exchange for referring you to a big job with a new client. Offer discounts. Want to get potential clients' attention? Offer a discount. Heck, advertise this discount on the front page of your website and your social media for all your potential clients to see. It's one sure way to start a business relationship in a positive way before you even meet the client. That's what we call good customer service. Have clear, professional signage. And we've said this many times before, your brand is the foundation of your construction business. And in the construction industry, there's plenty of opportunities to showcase your brand, including your equipment, clothing, stickers, signs on job sites, billboards, social media, business cards. The list goes on and on. And it's important that you and your employees recognize that you all are constantly representing your brand, whether you realize it or not. Even when you're in public, in your everyday life, a potential client could be watching. How many times have we heard of crew members wearing their company shirts, acting like jackasses at a bar after work? Don't be that guy. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.